Have you ever stayed in a hotel room where the maids or someone else tried to enter your room? That happened to me on a business trip, and it was kind of scary because the Do Not Disturb sign was on the hotel door. Then I found out about the Travel Door Lock at thetraveldoorlock.com. It's a small portable door lock you can use on most hotel doors to secure the door to the door jamb. The Travel Door Lock is only $25, and it also works great at home. The Travel Door Lock will prevent anyone from entering your room, even if they have a key or try to kick in the door. The Travel Door Lock will stop them. No tools needed to install. For $25 and free shipping, it's the best travel door lock for the money. So get the Travel Door Lock today at thetraveldoorlock.com or call 702-773-0608. That's 702-773-0608. thetraveldoorlock.com.